Hello, and Merry Christmas from To Go English Tutorials. This is a retelling of the classic story of Jingle Bells. This was originally published as a Golden Book in 1964 by Western Publishing Company Incorporated in Racine, Wisconsin. This little Golden Book belongs To Go English Tutorials. This is a story written by Kathleen and Daly, based on the traditional Christmas carol called Jingle Bells. The book was illustrated by J.P. Miller. I hope you enjoy it. Dashing through the snow comes the Bear family in a one-horse open sleigh. There's Papa Bear and Mama Bear and two baby bears.
O'er the fields we go,
shouts Papa Bear, cracking his whip, and the sleigh glides down over the snowy fields. The baby bears sing Christmas carols and nibble on cold plum pudding. Hubert Horse loves to pull the sleigh. He flicks his bobtail merrily, and the baby bears sing, and dashing along they go. Now they're in Rabbit Warren, a cozy little town, and the rabbits and their friends come out to say hello. Come aboard, says Papa Bear. We're going for a ride. And Cuddly Bunny and three bunny sisters hop onto the sleigh. Patrick Pig and his friend Katy Kitten hop in. Then come Dennis Dog and Stuart Seal and Richard Raccoon.
What fun it is to ride and sing the sleighing song tonight,
says Esmeralda Ostrich, and she too hops aboard and starts singing. She does not sing very well, but nobody minds because it is Christmas.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
That's the sleighing song they sing. O'er the fields they go, wrapped up in their furs. All of a sudden,
stop,
says a voice. Who can it be? It's a man in a red suit and a white beard and big black boots and a sack over his shoulder. It's Santa Claus.
Help,
says Santa Claus. I have no 6 reindeer open sleigh this year, and I'm too tired to walk anymore. What happened? asked Papa Bear. My reindeers all caught cold, and their mother has put them to bed.
With bed socks and tea, I hope,
says Mama Bear.
Yes,
says Santa gloomily. Well, hop aboard. There's plenty of room, says Papa Bear. And Santa hops aboard, sack and all. Soon he is merrily singing the sleighing song.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
And so, for the first time, Santa makes all his visits in a one-horse open sleigh. He brings Tommy a toy train, and Dora gets a doll. Rupert gets a rocking horse, and Bruce gets a boat. When Santa's sack is empty, Santa and his helpers climb into the sleigh, and Papa Bear cracks his whip, and off they go to take Santa home. And when they get to Santa's house, what a lovely surprise is waiting for them. Mrs. Santa has cooked a Christmas dinner with lots of turkey and plum pudding and special fish for Stuart Seal and Katy Kitten, and crunchy carrots for the rabbits, and juicy corn for Patrick. After dinner, they gather around the biggest Christmas tree you ever saw. There are presents for all, and then there are balloons to blow and games to play. My, what a party! Before they leave, they peek in at the 6 little reindeer, all tucked up in bed and sniffling. Merry Christmas, they call, and the reindeers call, Merry Christmas! Then they all pile into the sled, Papa Bear and Mama Bear and 2 baby bears, Cuddly Bunny and his 3 bunny sisters, Patrick Pig and Katy Kitten, Dennis Dog and Stuart Seal and Richard Raccoon, and Esmeralda Ostrich. Papa Bear cracks his whip, and off they go in their one-horse open sleigh. And do you know the song they sing?
Jingle bells.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Come on, sing along.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha, ha, ha! Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Hey! Thanks for singing and for watching To Go English tutorials. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year too. Keep studying English.